get to appreciate a subject even more when you focus on the beauty of its details. Just like how photographs bring the eye's attention to what deserves to be highlighted through f-stop. So come and find the Fs that will make you stop for a while. Put your focus on the beautiful destinations and realize there's so much more to discover in this amazing province. Dito sa ganda mo, Pangasinan.
Simulan na ang pasyalan. Pumasyal sa Pangasinan, balikan ang lahat na magpapasaya. Kalula, klasin ang taglay na ganda. Siguradong mag-enjoy ka. Kalula, pumasyal sa Pangasinan, balikan ang lahat na magpapasaya. Kalula, klasin ang taglay na ganda. Siguradong mag-enjoy ka. Kalilat Pangasinan.
When traveling, do what locals do and go where locals go. Lying in the borders of this northern town is a hidden gem of a destination where fishing activity becomes an attraction. It's the peaceful environment, the fresh, cool winds and waters, and the welcoming community that makes it even more special.
Mga 8 years na kaming nag-ano ng tilapia. Nung una, mga 5,000 lang na similyan ang linalagay namin. Pero paunti-unti, dahil lumalakas naman ang binta namin, sa ngayon, kung nag-ano na kami ng 20,000 na similya every crop na nilalagay namin dyan sa isdaan namin. Maraming namimili dito, tsaka may mga, minsan nga may mga foreigner dito na namimingwit, yung binibingwit, binibili rin nila. Ang binta namin ng tilapia, 150 per kilo. May mga nangunguha dito na nagtitinda rin, mga buyer na kumukuha dito. Kapag ready nang i-purchase yung mga tilapia namin, mga 4 to 5 months ready na ibenta. Ang good harvest namin ay yung 1 kilo ay 3 piraso o 4 na piraso. Kaya maganda rin ang kita.
Mula sa munisipyo ng Sison, sir, mga siguro 10 to 15 kilometers. Ang pamahatsay hanggang sa highway, yan sir, 51 tao. Oo, medyo nakikilala na rin itong pispan. Tuwing harvest time, pinupunta nila. Maraming bumibili dito. Halos nga nauubusan eh. Malinis yung tilapia. Tapos matataba, masasarap ihawin. Maganda yung nanggalingan ng tubig doon sa ilog. Marami naman silang pumupunta dito pag nalalaman nila itong mga pispan dito, kaya may mga resorts dito na pinapasyalan.
Bago pa man marating ang fish pond, madadaanan din ang Abenoling River na kilalang pinagpapahingahan ng mga lokal at bisita. Pinagkukuhanan din ito ng tinatawag na golden tilapia na sinasabing kakaiba ang sarap dahil sa fresh running water ito pinapalaki. Just coordinate with the local barangay council para masamahan kayong puntahan ang destinasyon ng ito.
Sa ilog natin, maraming nagpipiknik dyan. Gaya ngayon, araw-araw may mga nagpipiknik dyan. Daming tao. Pupunta sila dito para magpalamig.
Nagre-relax sila dito kasi talagang mahangin dito. Lalo na paghapon, mahangin. Kaya masarap magtambay.
Nagiging kilala na yung mga fishing dito sa area na to, sa Barangay Bulao, dito sa Sison. And on our part, one way to promote this area as a tourist destination, agricultural tourism, is to improve the road network system here in this area. So right now, it's very accessible na. So yung mga kababayan natin or mga bisita from other towns na pupunta dito ay mas madali nilang puntahan. Those who are interested sa agricultural tourism, fresh air, and commune with nature, fishing, dito po available po lahat yan. Ma-experience nyo po dito po sa Barangay Bulawan West, sa bayan ng Sison, Pangasinan. So you can coordinate with the barangay officials, barangay employees and staff and volunteers in Barangay Bulawan West, and they can assist you, they can help you para malaman kung saan itong lugar na ito at ma-experience nyo ang agricultural tourism dito.
Getting to immerse with the locality is simply admirable. Even more so when you get to have fun while helping them with their livelihood. Taste the flavor of happiness in this beautiful fish pond and river of Barangay Bulawan West in Sison. When you love it, you'll keep coming back for it. And that's what the makers of these goodies are delighted about. This flat sweets wrapped in banana leaves has become a favorite delicacy for tourists and even locals from other neighboring towns. Just beside the municipal plaza, be impressed seeing these coconut-flavored treats be prepared right before your very eyes.
Espesyal talaga sir ang topping namin dito ng lawak. Pag tuwing pista, may ano kami dito, topping festival. Mahaba yung papilahin yung mga tao. Pagkain ng topping.
Halina kayo at tikman ang masarap na tupig ng lawak.
Mga 20 years na kami nagbenta ng tupig. Mga iba-ibang lugar pupunta dito kasi kilala na tong tupig ng lawak. Hinahanap nila talaga to. Ito siya, tagli 5 piso. Ito nga malagkit.
Iba kasi yung lasa niya, parang ibing. Naman mura, 5 pesos lang isa. Affordable siya. Tsaka 5 pesos lang, masarap na, tapos mabubusog ka pa. Bagay na bagay pang merienda.
Sa amin kasi, may gatas, may cheese ang ingredients namin. Kasi yung tupig nga business, walang return. Maibenta mo lahat. At saka malakas nga negosyo to.
Palagi akong bumibili dito kasi laging hinahanap ng mga tao kasi masarap yung tupig ng lawak.
Ito din, nakaano tong dahon kasi ang hanap buhay nila dahon na talaga manguha, i-deliver dito sa amin araw-araw. Ay, malaking tulong talaga tong pagdinegosyo ng tupig, sir. Ito lang ang hanap buhay namin. Tupig lang talaga araw-araw.
Sweet, creamy, and smoky. It surely is everybody's favorite delicacy. It may be sold quite everywhere, but this town prides itself on its own version of its taste and texture. Eat it freshly made or take it home and store for a few days. You'll find yourself grabbing some more of this special tupig of lawak. Bonding over favorite munchies is one of the most memorable moments during vacations. Right at the heart of this town, you'll find yourself excited over these popular yummy Filipino foods you will see left and right. From dishes made with love to meriendas and pasalubong. Eat to your heart's desire in this one-stop shop in Binalonan.
Dito po kasi marami silang mapagpipili ang mga pagkain na mas mura kumpara doon sa ibang lugar. Tapos dito na rin sila nagmimit, may silong, may mga electric pan, So, mas gusto nila, mas prepare nilang pumunta po dito sa food court. Pagkaing lutong bahay, sir. Tapos yung iba, may mga lechonan doon sa kabila, merienda, ganun, sir. Ang kakaiba po kasi dito sa Binalonan Food Court, mayroon ng libreng electric fan, so mahangin. Tapos mayroon ding libreng wifi ng smart. Yung mga nanonood po ngayon, i-invite ko po kayo na tangkilikin po ang Binalonan Food Court kasi po dito ang mga bilihin ay mas mura, mayroon pang mga mahangin at saka may libre pong wifi.
12 years na po ako dito sa Binalonan. From my parents, 20 years na. Tapos ako 12 years, nagtitinda ng mga lutong ulam. Binabalik-balikan po ang aming mga lutong ulam, mga taga Binalonan, tapos mga turista ng mga iba't ibang turista. Bumisita po kayo dito sa Binalonan, bisitahin niyo po ang aming plaza, palengke, lahat po ng mga na-improve, bisitahin niyo po.
Nag-iikot kami dito sa Ordanit. Galing kami sa San Manuel, punta kami sa Santa Maria. Nag-iikot kami sa Rosales, Ordanita. Dito kami pagtaghalian ganun. Palagi kaming kumakain dito, palaging araw-araw kaming kumakain dito sa food court. Masarap ang ulam nila.
Opo, nag-aatid po kami dito sa food court, kumakain yung mga iba. Meron din po yung mga dumadayo, dyan po sila kumakain sa food court. Dito po sa Binalonan, mura po ang bilihin. Dito po sa food court, mura na po ang mga pagkain. Ang favorito ko po ay dinakdakan, pakbet, igado, marami pong mapagpipilian na ulam. Kaya po kayo, pag pupunta po kayo dito sa Binalonan, dito lang po tayo sa food court.
Ang iba't ibang benta ay strategically placed para sa mga convenient experience. Sa harap ng food court, sa kanan naman ang meriendahan at lechonan. Nasa gilid ang bagsakan at nasa likod lang makikita ang wet market.
Itong na-develop na itong food court natin, through kasi may mga zoning po dito sa food court. Kumbaga yung mga pare-pares na item, mga produkto natin is pinagsasama sa isang zone. So kung makikita nyo, itong hilera ng lechon manok is nasa isang side lang po sila. Organized po sila dito. Lechon manok ng Binalonan sa amin is iba-iba yung mga taste naman ng natin. May mga banglasa, may matamis, may mga medyo maalat. Parang yung famous natin na longganisa, ganun po lang. So may mga garlic, mga ginagamit na pineapple sauce. So yun, malinamnam talaga yung lechon manok natin dito. Inanyahan po namin kayo na bumili po dito sa Binalonan ng mga lechon manok. Dito po Merelos Lechon po. Try nyo po. Masasarapan po kayo.
Maliban sa lechong manok na 250 to 260 ang isang buo, meron din silang liempo na nasa 280 pesos naman. Mabuting agahan ng pagpunta as early as 6 a.m. sa food terminal kung ayaw mong maubusan ng sikat at freshly made Binalonan longganisa na nasa 360 pesos per kilo dahil tanghali pa lang nagkakaubusan na.
Ang longganisa po kasi dito talaga pong fresh siya. Bagong katay po yung mga ginagamit nilang karne. Tapos garlic flavor po siya. Talagang malinamnam po siya.
More or less kasi ang ginagawa namin, ay yung mga bagong katay lahat. Hindi kami gumagamit ng mga frozen kasi yun ang minsan sa mga dahilan kung bakit nasisira yung mga produkto namin dito sa Binalonan na Kaya mas maganda pag bibili ka, mga fresh na longganisa gaya ng mga paninda namin sa palengke. Kasi halos dito lahat fresh yung ginagamit naming karne. Ito na rin kasi yung parang bread and butter, tinatawag namin bread and butter kasi ito talaga yung pinagkukuhaan namin, wala nang iba. Authentic siya kasi sariling amin to. Mula pa sa mga naunang nagbebenta, mga ninuno din namin. Garlic talaga siya yung talagang pinaka-flavor namin, garlic. Yung mga ibang flavor, na lang yun, pag may naghahanap, yun na lang, by request. Punta po kayo dito sa Binalonan, Pangasinan at specifically dito sa public market para i-try nyo po yung Binalonan longganisa. Try nyo din po yung para ma-experience din po kung ano yung mga sinasabi ng mga ibang nag-vlog tungkol sa longganisa ng Binalonan.
A way to a traveler's heart is through their tummy. Feed them with love and they'll become family. With all the food choices, fresh, cooked, or processed, dining becomes special at the food terminal of Binalonan.
Lemonade Hotel, Camp John Hay, your gracious host in Baguio City. For inquiries and reservations, call us at 0917-526-7049 or 074-300-6525 or email us at rsvn.lemonade@amg.com. Lemonade Hotel, your gracious host in Baguio City.
Learning the beauty of primitive living in the middle of the fields is an experience you will never forget. Coupled with the panoramic view of the Carabelas Mountain, farm life becomes even more interesting. You will never run out of things to do in this 7-hectare agritourism farm.
Yung pong makikita po dito sa farm is may mga livestock po tayo, may mga nursery, at saka may mga floating kubo, Tristan Treehouse, at saka mga pugad po at ito pong Angie's Place. At may mga kubo din po kami din po na pinapared. At yung mga activities po din namin dito sir is may mga, pwede po tayo mag-fishing at mag-pick po ng mga vegetables na mga organic po. Yung mga nagtitraining po dito sir is yung mga farmer din po at saka mga entrepreneur. At mayroon din po kami mga OJT po na galing po sa iba't ibang department of school na mga agriculture po kasi ito po is learning site for agriculture po.
Maliban sa mga picnic and trainings dito, masaya din ang magbalsa for free. Pwede ding magpakain ng isda na 30 pesos ang kalahating tabo, manghuli ng tilapia for 180 pesos per kilo at mag-vegetable pick and pay. Depende ang presyo sa gulay at sukat. Pwede ding mag-rent ng tent for 300 pesos at mag-set up sa designated campsite.
Meron pong entrance fee. 50 pesos po ang isang tao. Nagbubukas po kami ng 7 hanggang 5 po kami. And then nag-offer po kami ng overnight po. 500 po per tao po. Sa kubo po na isa, ang capacity niya po is 15. 300 pesos po ang isa. Tapos yung size up 6 to 5 po yung ano niya po, capacity. 200 pesos po yun. Pag ano po, pwede po kayong sumakay sa tricycle. Tapos 10 minutes before, makakarating na po kayo dito kasi along the highway lang po. Tapos 20 pesos lang po yung pamasahe per tao po.
Bago umuwi, siguraduhing daanan ang mga nakadisplay na produktong gawa sa farm. Sa murang halaga, maraming pagpipilian. Nakatulong ka na, may pasalubong ka pa.
Ang expectation po dito sa farm is mapipil po nila talaga ang parang babalik po sila sa dati sir na nakagisnan po nila. Sa lahat po ng mga gustong bumisita po dito sa farm, mga turista po, open po dito para po sa inyong lahat. At para po balikan po ang nakagisnan. Mga buhay probinsya po talaga dito sa aming farm, sa Marias Luntiang Bukid. Come, learn, and enjoy.
Nothing beats a holistic experience when traveling. Realizations that simple life can be just as amazing as the modern way of living people are so used to. Just a few minutes from the border of this town, savor the feeling of the earlier form of living in Marias Luntiang Bukid of Natividad. Just beside the free-flowing waters of Viray River stands a camp filled with passion, life, and dedication. Advocating for the environment, this destination will make you fall in love with nature and help you learn to take care of it. It's going to be a fun-filled day in this nature farm camp with a purpose.
It all started during the pandemic. Nag-conceptualize kami ng partner ko kasi wala nang magawa or work from home. Yan. So, we decided to put up a place where yung hindi kulob, ganyan. Tapos, pwede pa rin magkaroon ng family bonding na nandito sila at open area. So that was the time we started conceptualizing this Jolly Farm Camp. Pagpasok ng bisita dito, ini-explain namin ang camp rules. Meron tayong curfew hour. Dito sa camp, meron po tayong military detachment dyan sa taas, which is part of this property na nakatira sila dyan. So every time may magka-camp dito, sinasabi namin sa kanila para ma-secure yung mga bisita natin. Yan. Pag night swimming naman, hindi namin pinapayagan ng mga bata kung wala pong supervision ng mga adults. Every day, naglalakad po kami dyan sa baba, namumulot kami ng basura after umalis ang mga tao.
Dahil outdoor camp ito, they strictly implement curfew. After 9 p.m., wala nang pwedeng lumabas ng camp gate for security. Hanggang 6 p.m. lang din pwedeng lumangay sa ilog kung day tour. By 11 p.m., they strongly advise to tone down the noise bilang pakikisama sa iba pang campers at ang community sa labas ng camp.
Dito po, pag nag-camp ka, kunwari, you'll come one overnight, yan, may mga activities po kami, may bonfire areas kami, which is safe yan. Kasi pinapacheck din namin yan sa Bureau of Fire. They approve that place. Tapos, yung number 1 po na activity dito na gustong-gusto nila, yung crabbing. Nangunguha po sila ng mga crabs. So, meron po yan, sir. Marami dyan sa ilog. Swimming, meron din dyan. Pag malakas ang tubig, meron kami yung tinatawag nilang tubing. Na tinatawag, yung sasakay ka sa tube, papaanod ka from top, downstream. Yan, masaya.
Kakaiba experiences kasi in the first place, mabait yung may-ari, tahimik, ang nature talagang kasama mo talaga. Kasi nga maganda yung lugar, mapuno, dito talagang presko, pati tubig, malinis, malamig, kaya yun ang hinahanap-hanap namin dito. Sa mga kaya ko nasa Baguio, punta kayo dito sa Jolly Farm, malamig din ang hangin, presko, kaya parang hindi kayo maninibagong nasa probinsya kayo.
Pang kasinggan, Pangasinan. Maganda po kasi dito eh. Nature trip. Pampalamig, nagpapalamig po. Maganda po kasi yung view. Tsaka malamig yung tubig. Chill-chill lang. Parang unwind na rin namin. Maganda po, maganda. Maganda po yung place.
May advokasya kami. So, kailangan lahat maranasan din. Hindi lang yung may kaya or yung may extra income. So, even average families or below pa, they could experience yung ganitong activity. We're inviting everyone po. Sana po madalaw nyo po ang Jolly Farm Camp. Gaya ng sinabi ko, this is the cheapest getaway this summer Masarap, malamig, presko, at syempre po, may enjoy nyo lahat. So, punta po kayo dito at mag-enjoy dito sa Jolly Farm Camp.
Being one with nature is a gift this camp wishes for you to take home. Away from modernization, this ever-growing 14.7-hectare destination tells you that there's more to life than malls, gadgets, and electronics. There's nothing to be sad about when you are in Jolly Farm Camp in Natividad. If you happen to pass by Tayug, set your eyes on an intimate location perfect for family and friends. Close to your next destination, feel the comfort of a home.
Units na accommodation namin, may kubo, good for 4 packs, 2,500. Tapos yung studio type namin, mayroong A1, A2, good for 5 packs, 3,000. Tapos meron kaming unit na malakihan, unit D for 6 packs, 2 rooms, 4K, unit C and unit B, the same price yun. 4K rin yun, good for 6 packs.
Marami po tayong amenities sa Abby Homes, katulad ng aming swimming pool. So this is free. Wala pong access fee yan. Plus ang aming bawat unit ay may free Wi-Fi. Unlimited po yun. May Netflix sa bawat unit. So you'll enjoy continuous movie marathon if you want. At ang aming kitchen facilities, meron na po siyang basic condiments na available for you to use. Standard po ang aming hot and cold water shower, plus ang aming air condition system is highly efficient po siya. Sa bawat rooms ay air condition po yan. May free parking po tayo at saka anytime you can use yung aming kubo na as additional dining area ninyo just in case you have a group. And this area, we can set up a tent for you and with the tables and chairs just in case na you have a large group of people na gusto nyong mag-banding dito sa aming area. So that's an added feature without any extra charge sa inyo. So we're all inviting you. This is Abby Homes in Tayug. We have 2 branches actually, one in Tayug and one in Natividad, and all the amenities you will enjoy during your stay.
No matter where you go, it always feels good to be in the presence of your loved ones. Staying in a fully functional unit with a pool and just creating sweet memories is surely more than enough.
Looking for a place to stay in Baguio City? Find your calm at Hotel Supreme. A good dip at their pool. Clean and comfortable rooms with a view. Accommodating staff. You can also enjoy a sip of coffee at their coffee shop. Good food for a good mood at their restaurants. Spacious halls for events, and many more. A perfect balance of business and relaxation, all at Hotel Supreme.
Hidden behind the trees is an impressive destination that will surely feed your heart and soul. Born out of love for family and passion for flora and fauna, this place has grown to become a haven for plant lovers and food enthusiasts. Be surrounded with different greens and flowers, with birds singing in your own little rainforest, and enjoy home-style Filipino dishes with your loved ones in this little paradise.
Well, this is Mami Ninits. We started September 28th, lucky day with the 8s, of course, in the Philippines. And it was my partner Doc Dan's idea to have a beautiful garden. And with all his plants that he's incorporated for, oh my God, 10, 15, 20 years. And his mom's food, so Mami Ninits is in deference to his mom. And yeah, we've been just very blessed that we opened in September and we're on our 7th month already. So. Well, you know, very lucky. I mean, besides walk-in people, obviously we're going to expect people from all over the place. But we let people know that if you want christenings, could be simple birthdays, all kinds of events. I think last week we had something for like a little baby, things like that. So I think people are realizing that we can give them the whole dining room area and they can have a special event for their family. So it's worked out very well. I think it's number one. I mean, you know, I'm a little biased, but I think it's a very special place. If you've ever gone to Secret Garden or Hidden Garden up in Vegan, I think we sort of incorporated what a place would look special with all the plants. I mean, you come in here, you think you're in a rainforest or something like this. Where would you find this? Valley, different places. So I think it's a very special, very unique, and we cater to just simple, just come in and just relax and enjoy the ambiance, the nature. I think it's unique. I'm not sure if you can find a place like this in Pangasinan. I mean, this is Asingan. We love the people here. It's very rural, so you can tell that where did they get all these plants? And we just happy that people appreciate it, whether they're plantitos, plantitas, that this is going to be a very special place and a special experience, besides very, very good food.
Maaari po tayong sumakay ng tricycle sa bayan ng Asingan. Nagkakalaga po yun ng 80 special trip po. 10 minutes po siguro, andit na po kayo sa Mami Ninits Zone 4, Palares. Nag-open po ang Mami Ninits mula 10 ng umaga po at 9 po ng gabi. More on Filipino food po kami dito, Budol Fight po. Nagre-range rin po sila ng 150 pataas po. Bukod po sa pagkain, maaari rin po kami bumili ng halaman. Marami pong iba't ibang halaman dito.
Maraming iba't ibang lokal at imported na halamang matatagpuan dito, and if you ever find a plant you love, you can come to the owner to help you purchase it for yourself.
At sa mga gusto pong mag-visit dito, maaari rin po kayong mag-chill, magpahinga, isama pong pamilya, mag-banding po dito sa Mami Ninits Garden Restaurant.
We've been open 7 months and it's a very slow, sort of methodical as people are starting to discover us, whatever. We're very happy, even if we have a few customers for the day, as long as everyone is very happy. I think people are thinking, oh, let's go for a resort, where's your swimming pool, things like that. I think that's a little bit kind of bigger than we're really anticipating, you know, as we're getting older. We just want to keep everything simple, just enjoy a special place, and please come back. I always tell people, thank you for coming back, whether they're here for second, third, fourth time, so it's a blessing. Please, please, a very special place. We're in Palares, Asingan Zone 4. Once you come in, whether it's daytime, nighttime, we have all the lights and everything. We have kubo huts, we have wonderful swings or hammocks, so you get a chance to really just be like away from your normal stress, whatever, and this is the place to be. And you hear the birds in the background, so how can you miss? So please, welcome, Mabuhay.
No matter reason for the visit, the destination will welcome you with open arms like your own loving family. Experience Bali or vegan, or even Thailand, and taste Mommy's favorites, all while being in one relaxing location. There's so much passion and inspiration in Mami Ninits Garden Restaurant and Events Place in Asingan. Filipinos are known to love parties and celebration, and that is proven with hundreds of festivals and fiestas all year round. In this agricultural town, it's the commemoration of those rice and grains that provided food on their table. Paired with the locals' creativity, passion, and enthusiasm, the town fiesta has become an event to remember.
Asingan Kankanen Festival is on its 12th year na. So, napili namin ang Kankanen kasi Kankanen symbolizes pagkakaisa. Dikit-dikit po kasi kung ating makikita po yung malagkit po natin, dikit-dikit talaga. So, it symbolizes unity, cooperation po, and solidarity sa bawat isa dito sa Asingan. Nag-start po ang Kankanen Festival 2011. Inulit-ulit ng 2022 and 2023 hanggang 2024. So 12th year na po ang Asingan. Siyempre makilala ang Asingan as a Kankanen Festival ng buong Pilipinas. Iba't ibang bayan sa Pangasinan na pumunta po dito sa Asingan and matikman po nila ang aming pinagmamalaking inkiwar. 30 to 40% po is malagkit. So madami pong mga farmers po natin ang natutulungan niya kasi madaming nagbebenta na ng malagkit. At ginagawa nilang kankanen, ibang klase ng kankanen, hindi lang inkiwar. At yun yung binibenta nila sa palengke at inaano din sa iba't ibang bayan ng Pangasinan. Ayun, we are inviting everyone po na pumunta po dito sa Asingan. Ang experience po nila ang The Best of Asingan. At isa po sa mga The Best po of Asingan is yung Kankanen Festival. Andito po tayo ngayon sa plaza and lahat po ng pagkain po dito na makikita po natin is free for public po.
Since yung festival po namin is about Kankanen, so nakakatulong din po sa mga farmers natin na nagtanim po ng mga malagkit. And yun po yung main ingredient po ng aming festival today. Okay, yung fiesta po is dito po natin makikita yung pagkakaisa po ng mga Asingan, taga-Asingan po. And sineselebrate po natin dito yung pagiging masayahin. Parang pinipicture din po dito mga skills, pagiging talented ng mga taga-Asingan. And dito natin may papakita yung collaboration, effort, cooperation, unity between and among the people of Asingan. Ang prepare po namin today is strawberry flavored biko, and especially made by me. And parang binaba namin yung Baguio dito since mainit dito sa baba ngayon para ma-feel din natin yung ambience ng parang Baguio. Come on, dito po sa Asingan natin. Masaya po dito and bumisita po kayo dito dahil ang mga tao po dito sa Asingan ay mga hospitable person, mga masasayahin and mga courteous people. And to see Asingan, how beautiful it is, and how warm the heart of people of Asingan.
We call our display, our delicacy today, Kankanen inkiwar with a twist, mango and salted eggs. When it comes to livelihood, malaking tulong nito para ma-attract ang mga turista sa ating bayang Asingan.
Bago pa man magsimula ang inaabangang kainan ng daan-daang bilao ng masasarap na biko, marami pang ibang kaganapan buong linggo sa pagse-celebrate ng Kankanen Festival.
Ay masaya kasi first time kong nagpunta ngayon sa piyesta ng Asingan. Pero from San Jose, California. Yeah, first time namin. Yung purple ang una kong kinain, masarap. Happy Kankanen Festival ng Asingan, Pangasinan!
Masarap po yung natikman kong biko nila kasi may flavor po siyang nyug. Masarap po, malasang-malasa po, high quality po, pwedeng pang-export quality po. Sa pista ng Asingan, Kankanen Festival, happy pista po. Sobrang sarap po, nabusog po ang tummy ko. Sobrang happy po kasi kakaibang experience po to na nangyari sa akin. Before, napapanood ko lang po, kahit taga dito po ako, pero ngayon, actual pong naranasan ko po.
Experiencing a town festa or festival shows the characteristics of the locals. Grateful, generous, and welcoming. With the thousands of smiles from everyone, the impression becomes incomparable. That's the beauty of every town's celebrations, like the Kankanun Festival of Asingan. Fascinating history, friendly locals, and fantastic picture-perfect sceneries. More than all the words that start with F, this province certainly has a whole lot more to offer from A to Z. With over 5,000 square kilometers land area, you'll definitely be coming back for more seas, mountains, and cities. Discover stories, experience beauty, and always see Pangasinan.